Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. On this video, I'll show you how to watch videos on TikTok on Android TV. Now, first things first, you need the TikTok app. So head over to apps, go to Google, and when you open tab, search for TikTok. Now, you're looking for TikTok, just type in TikTok. And as you type it in, you should see a suggestion pop up. So that's TikTok. You need to look for the option as playlogo.com. That's the one you want. So click on that link. And what you do is you see an install button right here. I have open because the app is already installed. But in your case, you see install. Install the app, and when you have it, head over to your app library. So I'm going back to my app library. And under apps, I could find TikTok right here. So I'm going to click on it to launch. And when I'm in the app, you see I have the For You page, I have the following page. I could click here on this creator. If they have maybe information or entertainment type of content, I could scroll down. I could even click any of the content and begin to watch. So I could watch the content right here on Android TV on TikTok app, just like I've showed you. If you do this exactly as I've shown you, this will work perfectly for you as you browse TikTok on your Android TV. If you found that insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.